How to recover deleted Gmail account on Android. So if you want to recover a deleted Gmail account on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Google or browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then search for recover deleted Gmail account and tap on recover a recently deleted Google account or Gmail account. It's the same thing, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on deleted your Google account, and here it will give you some tips on how you can recover it. It says that you just need to simply go and log into your account. You will have a login interface. You need to go and log into the account with the same password and email address, and you will be logged in. So to do that, you just need to simply tap on follow the steps to recover your Google account. And here it will take you to the account recovery page where you just need to simply enter your email address and then tap on next. And you can enter your fingerprint or your face or your screen lock or your password, anything that you're comfortable with. Tap on continue and use your screen lock, and that's it. Your account has been recovered. You can either update your password or you can just simply tap on continue and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can recover your deleted Gmail account. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.